Dana Shankorea ye saketa nanga ari mahonla tarto kachepta sangnil mizi ko warna da tongji choigim shiwa tangtang bote men. Ina yang yarparni jangmangur merchi chakpu chutan barki shungwi titsun dana jindan shimen. Jana kasiluna Nihon tang lo Korea ga siluna tiki ngwen taktakder. Shankorea ye mizi kokur tongji sajakshi. Shankorea ye kotso nande jekab jana ka chapsili dun chenpu shila stikchen zewa na tongkwen boyin. Inayang tuandak chongchongshiki jekab jindalamla kangal tajimba tanyo berjul.
North Korea is very
Shan Korea ya
strategic in
prindal
the
tongpan
timing
jatisuna
of its
tapji
launches.
denba
They
dang
do
dikab
not
zongwa
do
shiyin
things by chance.
kotsi tablag ang masheser. Partunga tisute ye janaka silun chisha tuameta tang. Nyamdil sajak benui Korea sharangna detention shame bi sakit da jirgibi imbuki jamata Shan Korea gan barki te shungware. Zhongde salam kata Shan Korea ga shisalun chinchi Jacob Samka la Shan Korea ga jenang litun la tepchi shivi kardon tang.
The fact that they mentioned China
Kotsi janaka miyang
really
rangsong.
jumped out at me.
Deyi ngarang hang sang
Yeah, I
versi,
think it
dena ngay tena Shan Korea tang
hints at
janaka ndaramla
fissures
kangan
in
tajimbi
this
taksan shiri
relationship
sam
between
yo
North Korea
chi
and
she yo.
China.
Shan Korea ye nitong jibden godora janaka la junju tang ngama te shiwa tang. Teti nyamde je tsukja Shan Korea ga datan tang mekhi panda chuta la tamchak shibi kapsa, Beijing gi japchur shiba la temni shungwa shiri. Teni zonga jakab ni jindalam yar jishin, tarta janaka nichi sarwa chu per ngurgu shepare. Inayang nyamshi panga shiki kangal tajimbi taksan jantak jang tongyo. Janaka sinzin Xi Jinping nan dibi lo ngagarang Kim Jong-un la tiktil shimel.
I think that if China want and Xi Jinping especially wanted
Ngi
to
tena
show
janak tang
that there is
misagi
a
Xi
close
Jinping gi
relationship
Shan Korea tang dalam yakpo yo pa dundu yo
and
na
North Korea,
Kim Jong-un
Kim
runbo shi
Jong-un
sarware.
have invited,
Yang na Beijing ta
or
tiyong
China
de Xi Jinping tang
has
tiktil
actually
shi yo.
dragged to
Inang
China
tenda
three
kanyang
years
shong
ago.
meser.
And this hasn't happened.
Kim na Eros ga sinzin tang tiktil shi ni tarta Eros yi Shan Korea ga mekhi pando go ne ikirwin la dorgu tongjin yo. Tegalanta Putin ji Shan Korea ga datan leja la rukchur shajin banda shi ari rong shong mane joyo. Nyamshi pa kakshikina janaka jansamsa datan ko tsun sugzhib shina na janaka dewu yong ma sepa tang. Tena chikshina tartin dalam kange ja zhirtsa te yin sepa tan.
China is trying
Janaka
to
ko
show
tsun Shan
that
Korea
it's
tang
not
tendi
as
niyo
close
me
to
pa
North
tunjin
Korea
pa tang.
and to
Aras layang
Russia.
tendi
To be
namdir
honest,
shiga tunjin banda ser.
some imply
Inayang Jacob tesimbo tang ariwar chindalam na chedik da jirtang jirjin bare. Terten ko tse matata nyamde shegiwi jimtsen kangmang shiga tsay yung gare.